Dunay message si Ma'am Nancy sa inyo ha, pero English ni siya. Makasabot naman ta, pero dili lang ta kay kasulti. Okay? Mother's Day blessing. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers here today. Today, we want to stop and thank God for you. A mother's work is one of the greatest blessings God has given in this world. Many times, mothers work when they are tired, worried, hurting, carrying burdens nobody else sees. But they still cook, clean, pray, encourage, and take care of their families with love. Many of us learned about kindness, faith, prayer, and sacrifice from our mothers. Some of the strongest people in the world are not rich people or famous people. They are godly mothers who quietly love and care for their families every day. God sees every sacrifice you make. He sees every meal prepared, every tear cried, every prayer whispered for your children. And every time you trusted Him, even during hard days. To every mother, grandmother, and woman who cares for others with a loving heart, thank you. You are precious to your families, precious to this church, and precious to God. May the Lord give you strength when you are tired, peace when you are worried, joy in your hearts, and many blessings in your homes. We love you, we appreciate you, and today we honor you. Happy Mother's Day, and may God richly bless you, Nancy. Palakpakan nato ang Ginoo.